mother's flavor. So today's recipe is about banana fries. But this banana fry that I am showing you today, it is not a deep fry. It is a shallow fry which you can easily do it with very little oil. This banana fry is a very good accompaniment for your curd rice, and it is also a very good accompaniment to your any kind of boring food which you want to make interesting. So if you really like to make your boring food much interesting, then do watch the entire video. To make raw banana fries, I have taken one whole raw banana and I have cut it into this thickness, and you have to cut it into the similar kind of thickness because this is neither too thick nor too thin, and if you cut it this way it will get fried easily on the pan and it will cook soon. I have also taken about half a tablespoon of oil, some salt, pepper. To make our raw banana fry, first we'll heat up a tawa, put in some oil on this. We'll nicely spread this oil. Now we'll slowly start placing the raw bananas on the tawa. While doing this, keep your gas or your induction on medium flame. Now fries, trust me guys, it will taste very good. Dal chawal, anything. It is a very good accompaniment along with your plain khichdi even. Now let's just check if it's done. See, you're getting this color, so just flip it. You can use two spatulas. I'm using one hand and one spatula because I'm used to the heat. You have to fry these till you get this kind of color on both the sides. And just flip it. Yeah, see, this is the kind of color that I would want on the fry. So just flip it again. You can see our banana slices have turned brown on both the ends. Now I'm frying the second batch of the bananas. You'll have to leave it on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes so that it gets nice brown color on each side, and then just flip it. So as we are frying it, you can see the color of the banana skin is slowly changing. So that is an indication that it is getting cooked throughout. As you can see, the color has changed quite a bit compared to last time. So now I'll just flip it and we'll check it again. Yeah, it's much better now. Just flip everything. And we leave this side for about 2 to 3 minutes. And keep checking it after 2 minutes because every tawa acts differently. Just flip it over and check everything. As you can see, the bananas are cooked thoroughly throughout. So we'll turn off our heat. We'll just transfer this into our serving. We'll just add in some salt and some pepper to this. And mix it thoroughly with our hands. And there you go, our raw banana fry is ready. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.